Okay, so guys, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can make sketches using AI. Yeah, guys, AI is evolved right now. You can also make sketches which will look realistic and very good, guys. You can create it just using AI, guys. So I will tell you how you can do that. So follow the video till the end, guys. It is very basic and very easy. Open your Google, guys, then search on it PicLumen. When you search PicLumen, then you will see this website which is called the free AI image generator, and it is totally free, guys. You can generate images using this application and it is completely free. Just click on generate for free. When you click on it, it will open right now. As you guys can see, I have created so many images using this. So how you can create sketches? So right now, let's imagine any kind of sketch like a monkey on the tree. Okay, guys. So if I search on tree, I'll just search that. You can create better prompts, guys, to have better images, but I am just telling you how you can do that. So basically just go to this and select the ratio. Right now, if I want the ratio like 16:9, I will click on that. And then just go to this model selection, which is called PicLumen line art, guys. Click on that, then click on generate, and it will generate in seconds, guys, a very realistic looking image for you, and it will look like a sketch, guys. It will look like somebody drew that. So as you guys can see, it is generating, and right now this is the image it generated, guys. It is looking very realistic and very better, guys. As you guys can see, this is the proper sketch. You can just create sketches using this, and you can also use this as a reference, guys, to make any kind of sketches, guys. So it is very helpful. This website is totally free. You can generate unlimited time, guys. It is no boundaries here. I have generated a lot of images and I never faced any kind of error. So yeah, guys, this is how you can generate sketches. You can just download it using this button. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, subscribe this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.